You're listening to Fluent Talk Academy.
Hey, English learners. Welcome back to the Fluent Talk Academy. How are you today? Today I am here with Alex, and today we are going to talk about reporting a noise complaint to the landlord.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Alex, how are you today?
I am doing great, Mia. How are you?
I am good, thank you.
That is nice to hear.
Today we have a very useful topic.
Yes, we do.
We are going to talk about noise problems.
And we are going to learn how to talk to a landlord about a noise problem.
This is a real-life situation.
Yes.
Many people live in apartments.
And sometimes apartments can be noisy.
You may have a noisy neighbor.
Maybe someone plays loud music.
Maybe someone watches TV very loudly.
Maybe a dog barks all night.
Or maybe people make noise late at night,
That can be very difficult.
especially when you want to sleep.
Exactly.
Alex, have you ever lived in a noisy place?
Yes, I have.
Really?
Yes.
What happened?
I once lived in an apartment with a very noisy neighbor.
What kind of noise did they make?
They played loud music almost every night.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
What time did they play the music?
usually around 10 at night.
10 at night?
Yes,
That is not very late, but it can still be a problem.
that is true.
What happened after 10?
Sometimes the music continued until midnight,
Wow,
and sometimes even later.
that sounds difficult.
It was.
Were you able to sleep?
Not very well.
I understand.
I had to wake up early every morning.
So the noise affected your sleep.
Yes, it did.
What did you do first?
First, I waited.
Why did you wait?
I thought the noise would stop.
That makes sense.
I did not want to complain too quickly.
That is understandable.
But after a few days, the problem continued.
So you had to do something.
Yes.
Did you talk to your neighbor?
Yes, I did.
What did you say?
I said, "Excuse me, could you please turn the music down?"
That is a very polite sentence.
Yes.
Let's repeat it for our listeners.
Could you please turn the music down?
Good.
This means, please make the music quieter.
Exactly.
We can use this sentence with music, TV, or other sounds.
For example, could you please turn the TV down?
Good.
Or could you please turn the radio down?
Exactly.
What is another simple sentence? Could you please lower the volume?
Very useful. Yes.
Lower the volume means make the sound quieter.
That is right.
So we have two useful phrases.
Turn it down.
And
Lower the volume.
both are very common. Now, what if the neighbor does not stop?
Then we may need to contact the landlord.
Good.
The landlord is the person who owns the apartment or house.
And what is a tenant?
A tenant is a person who rents a house or apartment.
So if I rent an apartment, I am the tenant.
Correct.
And the person who owns the apartment is the landlord.
Exactly.
These two words are important.
Landlord.
And tenant.
Let's say them slowly.
Landlord,
Tenant.
landlord.
Tenant.
Great.
Now, imagine you have a noise problem. Okay.
You want to call your landlord.
What should you say first?
You can start with a simple greeting.
Like, hello, how are you?
Yes.
Then you can explain why you are calling.
For example, I am calling about a noise problem.
That is simple.
It is also very clear.
You can also say, I would like to report a noise problem.
That sounds a little more formal.
Yes.
What does report mean?
It means to tell someone about a problem or situation.
So I can say, I would like to report a problem.
Yes,
And I can say, I would like to report a noise problem.
exactly.
When we have a problem, we should stay calm.
We should explain the problem clearly.
We should not start with anger.
Exactly.
We can use polite words.
Like please
And could you?
and thank you.
These small words can make a big difference.
I agree.
Now, let's learn another useful phrase.
Which one?
I have trouble sleeping.
That is a very useful sentence.
What does it mean?
It means sleeping is difficult for me.
Right.
We can use have trouble in many situations.
Give us an example.
I have trouble waking up early.
Good.
I have trouble understanding English.
Very useful for English learners.
Yes.
Another one?
I have trouble finding my keys.
Great.
So, have trouble means something is difficult for you.
Exactly.
It is a very useful everyday phrase.
Now, let's talk about different kinds of noise.
Okay.
What can a noisy neighbor do?
They can play loud music.
Good.
They can watch TV loudly.
Yes.
They can talk loudly.
Right.
They can shout.
Yes.
They can have a loud party.
Good.
They can move furniture.
That can be noisy.
Very noisy sometimes.
What about children?
Children can run and jump.
Yes.
They can make noise too.
What about dogs?
Dogs can bark.
Very good.
A dog can bark all night.
That would be difficult.
Definitely.
So, how can we explain a barking dog?
We can say, my neighbor's dog barks all night.
Excellent.
Or, the dog is very loud.
Simple and clear.
Exactly.
Let's learn some grammar here.
Okay.
We say, the dog barks.
Yes.
Why do we say barks with an S?
Because the dog is one thing.
Correct.
With he, she, or it, we usually add s to the verb in the simple present.
For example, he works.
She talks.
The dog barks.
Exactly.
But what if we have two dogs?
We say the dogs bark.
Not the dog's barks.
Correct.
That is an easy grammar rule.
Yes.
Now, let's talk about time.
Okay.
If the landlord asks, when does the noise happen?
We need to give a time.
For example,
It happens at night.
good,
It happens in the morning.
good,
It happens after 10.
good,
It usually happens around 11.
excellent.
We can also say, it happens every night.
Or it happens several times a week.
Very useful. What does usually mean?
It means something happens most of the time. So I can say, it usually happens at night.
Yes. What about sometimes?
It means something happens on some occasions, but not every time. For example, sometimes my neighbor plays loud music.
Exactly.
And always?
It means every time.
My neighbor always makes noise at night.
Good.
These words are very useful.
Usually, sometimes, always, often, and never.
Great.
Now, what if the landlord asks, when did the problem start?
Then we need to talk about the past.
Right.
We can say, the problem started last week.
Good.
It started 3 days ago.
Good.
It started last month.
Excellent.
The word started is the past form of start.
Yes.
Start becomes started.
That is a regular verb.
We add ed.
For example, talk becomes talked.
Call becomes called.
Help becomes helped.
Good.
But some verbs are different.
Yes.
They are irregular verbs.
For example, speak becomes spoke.
So we say, I spoke to my neighbor.
Not I speak to my neighbor if we are talking about yesterday.
Correct.
Another one is go.
Go becomes went.
I went to my neighbor.
Good.
Another one is say.
Say becomes said.
I said something to my neighbor.
Exactly.
These small grammar points can help you speak more clearly.
Yes.
Now, let's talk about another important phrase.
Which phrase?
I am sorry to bother you.
That is very polite.
What does bother mean?
It means to disturb someone or cause a small problem for them.
So if I want to ask my landlord for help, I can say, I am sorry to bother you.
Yes.
Then I can say, I have a noise problem.
Exactly.
For example, I am sorry to bother you, but I have a noise problem.
That sounds very natural.
And polite.
Yes.
Now, what if you do not want to call your landlord?
You can send a message.
Good.
You can write a short message.
What can you write?
Hello, I am a tenant in apartment 205.
Good.
I am having a problem with noise.
Good.
My neighbor plays loud music at night.
Very clear.
Could you please help me with this problem?
Excellent.
And then say thank you.
That is enough.
You do not need a very long message.
Clear English is better.
I agree.
Now, let's imagine another situation.
Okay.
The neighbor above you is making loud footsteps.
That happens sometimes.
What can you say?
The people upstairs are making a lot of noise.
Good.
I can hear loud footsteps at night.
Very useful.
The noise is making it hard for me to sleep.
That is a little longer, but very useful.
Yes.
What does making it hard mean?
It means making something difficult.
So, the noise is making it hard for me to sleep.
Yes.
Another example is, the noise is making it hard for me to study.
Exactly.
Or, the noise is making it hard for me to work.
Great.
Great. That is a useful sentence pattern.
Yes.
You can change the last word.
Sleep.
Study.
Work.
Relax.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about too much noise.
That is a very useful phrase.
We say, there is too much noise.
Yes.
We can also say, my neighbor is making too much noise.
Correct.
Why do we say too much?
Because noise is usually an uncountable noun.
Right.
We use much with uncountable nouns.
Like water.
Too much water.
And noise.
Too much noise.
But what about people?
People are countable.
So we say too many people.
Exactly.
Too much noise.
Too many people.
That is a useful grammar difference.
Yes. Now let's learn keep the noise down. This is another common phrase.
What does it mean?
It means to make the noise quieter.
So I can say, please keep the noise down.
Yes.
Is it polite?
It can be polite if you say it calmly.
We can make it more polite.
How?
Could you please keep the noise down?
That sounds better.
Yes.
It is a good sentence for everyday English.
Now let's talk about turn it up.
That is the opposite.
Right?
Turn it up means make the sound louder.
So turn it up,
Make it louder.
turn it down.
Make it quieter.
Easy to remember.
Yes.
Up means louder.
Down means quieter.
Great.
What about you, everyone?
Have you ever had a noisy neighbor?
Maybe you have.
Maybe you have a neighbor who plays loud music.
Maybe there's construction near your home.
Maybe a dog barks every night.
Or maybe your home is very quiet.
Whatever your answer is, you can practice English with us.
Write one sentence in the comments.
You can write, "My neighbor is very noisy."
Or, my neighbor plays loud music at night.
Or, "I have trouble sleeping because of the noise." Or something else. Try to write your answer in English.
Even one simple sentence is enough.
Before you go, don't forget to like this video.
And please share it with someone who is learning English.
If you enjoy our English lessons, subscribe to the channel.
Your support helps us make more simple and useful English lessons.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you learned something useful. Keep listening
Keep practicing.
and keep speaking English.
We will see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
See you next time.